Alright traders, it is the 11th of July 2017. My name is Jameson. We're looking at a weekly vertical bar chart of Tmst steel. We've been following this chart for a while. Took it off the list as it rejected the 200-day simple moving average lower trend line, and it was pulling back here. But we can see that it just pulled back and was a back test. So this definitely looks like accumulation. We can see that supply is contracting. We're seeing a little bit more demand. This week's just started. But one of the key things that we kind of pointed out previously was that this was a big effort, little reward here. That might have been, or actually is looking now like a change in character. This is reaccumulation, and this entire structure looks like accumulation. We're transitioning from a stopping action, accumulation of supply. Actually, this phase C should be much shorter. It's probably just this area right through here. Here's our sign of strength, and now we're kind of backing up to the creek, retesting the 200-day simple moving average and a lower trend line of this bullish ascending channel. The reason I have this entire thing labeled as phase C is because generally in phase C is when there's a big contraction in the volume that's present. So I label mine a little bit differently than others. But we have some very bullish price objectives. They should be a little bit higher than $20 and $28, but for now I'm going to leave them right there. I think that's a very reasonable target. Looks like we're going to break out in the weekly chart. Now we're looking at a daily vertical bar chart of the same ticker, Tmst Steel, TMST, and you can see here same thing. We've had a breakdown here, a little we had essentially, a little selling climax, consolidate along the 200-day simple moving average, reach the 50-day simple moving average, but you can see here that supply is contracted, and then we had a big, let's kind of bring some context to it. Let's highlight it. So right here. So big volume, very narrow price spread, no follow through, big effort, little reward. Prices are rallying away with expanding volume, breakthrough resistance, not only of the moving averages, but of the actual trading range here. And then we back test this resistance, confirming support, and we're rallying away. Very bullish price action, bullish technicals, great relative strength, great sector. The index is kind of stabilizing a little bit. I really like TMST.